Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful Oreo Cookie Man fidget toy. For this, we are using 3 different colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, some beads, Google eyes and hot glue. This Oreo Cookie Man fidget toy looks so cute and beautiful, and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful cookie man, we want to know the basic stitches like magic circle, slip knot, chain, double crochet, reverse single crochet and slip stitch. The specialty of this is we can move the arms and the legs like this. So to do this, first we will do 4 pieces in circle, and for 2 pieces we will be doing the border. Then we will join them like this. So now let's see how to do this beautiful cookie man. To do this Oreo cookie man, you are going to start with a magic circle. Chain 2. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as magic circle. Next, we are going to work inside this magic circle. We are going to do 12 double crochet inside this magic circle. So yarn over, insert the hook in the magic circle, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 11 more double crochet inside this magic circle. Totally, you should have 12 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So let's see how it looks after doing 12 double crochet. After doing 12 double crochet, it looks like this. Next, you can pull this yarn to close the circle, and you can finish it round using a slip stitch in the first double crochet, not in this chain 2, the first double crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through that loop and pull through the other loop. So after completing the first round, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 2, do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. That is, you are going to do double crochet increase in each stitch. Next stitch, 2 double crochet. Next stitch, 2 double crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 2 double crochet in each stitch around till you reach this end and finish it off using a slip stitch. At the end of this round, you will be having 24 double crochet stitches. After completing this round, it looks like this. By following the same pattern, you are going to do 2 more pieces. The 2 pieces you will be doing in cream color. For next round, you are going to do reverse single crochet. For that, chain 1. Insert the hook backwards like this. You will be inserting in the stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will be having 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So for next stitch, insert it in the reverse like this. In the stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So while doing, you can place your forefinger on the top of this hook along with this yarn like this. Insert it in this stitch. Yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So it looks like this. You are going to continue them around till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. You can finish it off, turn your work like this, and you can do a slip stitch here. Chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So by following the same pattern, you are going to do 1 more piece. So next we are going to do the feet. For that, you are going to start with a slip knot, and you are going to do 50 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Likewise, you are going to do 50 chain. 1, 2, 3. After doing 50 chain, it looks like this. Extend the yarn little bit and snip off this yarn. So this is for the feet. For the arms, we are going to start with a slip knot. You are going to do 40 chain. After doing 40 chain, it looks like this. Extend the yarn little bit and snip off this yarn. So this is for the arms. So next we will be adding beads on both the sides for the feet as well as for the arms. After joining the beads, it looks like this. Now we are ready with all the parts. Let's see how to join them together to form like a beautiful cookie man. I have joined the eyes, Google eyes. Next we will do the mouth part here. Make a slip knot, insert the hook, insert it in this hook, through, insert it in the next stitch, pull through and pull through this loop. So after adding the eyes and the mouth, it looks like this. Next we will add the arms and the leg part. So place the foot. Next the arm part. Next you can add these in the top. After adding them, the Oreo Cookie Man looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.